Hello, everyone. Welcome to a new Attendo video. Today, we'll guide you through the essentials of accounting at creating transactions and managing general ledger journal entries in Attendo. Once the accounting period has been opened, each accounting transaction performed in Attendo can be executed automatically or through manual processes depending on the configuration. The accounting entries are created by posting documents from the financial accounts such as invoices, payments in or out if the configuration is enabled for posting, transactions in financial accounts, amortizations, production processes, and manual entries. The transactions can be generated automatically by creating automatic accounting entries and also by manually creating GL entries. Either process, Attendo always allows correcting existing accounting transactions. The transactions generated impact the general ledger, and those impacts will be shown in the corresponding reports. Let's see an example of the accounting management in a manual process when posting a sales invoice. After posting the invoice, Attendo registers this and every transaction in the simple GL journal, which you can check from the Accounting tab. Here, every posted entry will be shown, including information such as the corresponding accounting number, debit and credit amount, and accounting dates. Remember that you can also use the Unpost button if necessary to unpost incorrectly posted transactional documents for corrections and proper reposting. Finally, for each posting, Attendo allows you to access its detailed impact in the journal entries report generated through a daily transaction. For instance, you can filter through dates and access the detailed documents posted. As observed here, we get all the accounting information of the transactions generated during a specific date like document type, account number, and name among others. In this case, we observe the accounting of the invoice created in the previous example. Also, the General Ledger Report allows accessing the whole impact generated by the accounting transactions detailed by groups of financial accounts. From the General Ledger Report window, there are also some useful filters to apply like dates, amounts, organization, and business partner, which will narrow down the search to access more detailed accounting information. It's important to also filter by the financial account number and name since you'll get data by groups of the accounting of specific transactions. As shown here, by applying the filters, you'll access the account with its description and balance information of the invoice used in our example. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in optimizing your accounting workflows. For more information about this and other accounting processes, visit the Attendo documentation below. See you in the next video.